We're in Hull Maritime Museum, towards the end of the massive renovation project that's gone on for many years, and my part in that project has been to dismantle all their whales, skeletons that is, take them back to my place, take them apart completely, clean every single bone, do all the conservation work, that's repairing any broken bones, etc., and then mount them from scratch, including this huge beast behind me here.
This is one of the main galleries on the ground floor that people will come into, the Age of Sail Gallery. Back in the 1700s and 1800s, they went to the Arctic to catch bowhead whales and North Atlantic right whales, like the one behind me. It's probably our most iconic item. As time's gone past, this specimen of a very rare whale has become more and more important, and people will get a chance to learn about what that means today as well.
My job's fantastic. I work on all sorts of animals from the natural world, whether they're fossil dinosaurs or ichthyosaurs or plesiosaurs, and people walk into my place and they're just blown away because I've got these museum quality specimens sitting there, often in states of being sort of mounted, half mounted, etc. But it's a bit of an Aladdin's cave if you're into the natural world. Costing up a project like this is quite tricky. You look at how other whales have been built in the past, you look at pictures of whales alive today, you decide on the anatomically correct curve that you want to have for whatever pose you want the animal in. One particular challenge for this specimen is its sheer size. Luckily it's in two halves. When they got it into the museum in the first place, they cut it right down the middle, which meant that the weight was half what it would have been. But even so, I think that skull must weigh close to 1/4 of a ton. Getting that up into position so that I can actually do all the metal work was quite a task. You have to heat the metal, bend it to the right shape, take it up to the specimen, figure out that it's not quite the right shape, heat it again, bend it a bit more, cool it down, check. So it's quite a repetitive process. Here I am at the end of 6 years, with this almost complete. We've got maybe 2 more days to work on this to get it all in place, and that's a good sense of satisfaction.